Today we're out at the Japantown Peace Plaza pouring our quadrant 2 topping slab. Got roughly 6,000 square feet today. Ultimately, all of this will get covered by tile at a later date. We're out here with our concrete subcontractor, Dolan Concrete. Associated Rebar did all our mesh, and Plant Concrete did all the formwork and foam. So yeah, should be a good pour today. We got about 70 yards, about 6 or 7 trucks. The Japantown Peace Plaza is a waterproofing job, and the whole plaza, there's a parking structure below us. Everything has gotten waterproofed. Every single epoxy dowel, every piece of rebar. So they have a big waterproofing composite system. Above that, we lay our foam underlayment. And then on top of that, we're pouring 3 to 4 inches of concrete topping slab, which will later then get covered by tile for the finished plaza.